Bill and Melinda Gates are ending their relationship after 27 years of marriage. This announcement was released from a statement it says that after a great deal of thought and lots of work on their relationship, they've decided to terminate their marriage because they don't see themselves growing together. Bill and Melinda met in Microsoft in 1994. The two will keep working together on philanthropic basis. They address issues like education, healthcare, and gender equality. They have raised 3 children, and their foundation works all over the world to help people lead much healthier lives. Though separated, they will still be working together in their foundation, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Now they are asking humans for space as they navigate this new lifestyle. Bill and Melinda met in 1987 during a staff and employee meeting at Microsoft. According to Melinda, in one of her statements, it took Bill quite a while before he was able to ask her out. He had to list the pros and cons on a board to decide whether to marry her or not. In 1994, they got married in Hawaii. Bill owns about 1.37% of Microsoft. If you convert that in billions, it's going to be about 26 billion. In 2019, Bill mentioned in a blog post that their foundation has assets worth 59 billion. This is definitely a challenging time for the couple, and nobody prays that couples separate no matter what the situations are. And so let's keep them in our prayers, and as we see other people separating, let's all also try and work on our relationship before it gets to this stage. Thank you all so much for watching. If you are single looking for a long-term relationship, please go ahead and check out finderseat.com. That's a dating site for singles looking for long-term relationship. And if today is the first time you're stopping by my channel, kindly go ahead and hit on the subscribe button and share this video, and I will see you again in my next video. Same time, same place, and same space. Thank you so much for watching.